Hey guys, are you ready to learn a few things about animals?
Animals, animals.
Hey, don't repeat what I say.
Say.
Oh, always the same. Well, guys, today we are going to talk about another group of vertebrate animals, birds.
Birds.
Birds are oviparous animals, which means they are born from eggs. They walk with 2 legs, and they have 2 wings that allow them to fly. Although there are some birds like the ostrich and penguin that don't fly, even though they have wings. The bird's skeleton is light because their bones are hollow. Birds can breathe thanks to their lungs, and they are warm-blooded. They eat with their beak that has no teeth. Ugh. Their body is covered in feathers. Did you know that the heaviest bird in the world is the ostrich? No wonder it can't fly. Poor thing. A bird that can fly is the eagle. Incredible!
Incredible.
You again? Watch what happens if I catch you.